What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing out crypto content currently, and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink on the 4-hour chart here, and as we can see, obviously the price action recently has been nothing short of pretty miserable in terms of the past month or so. Obviously, we saw that huge correction to the downside, which we saw on the 19th of May, which is about a month ago now. I think it's the 19th today. So as we can see, we've had fairly miserable price action recently. Obviously, we've been chopping and changing sideways for the most part here. And this is largely just due to the uncertainty surrounding Bitcoin. We had that huge correction to the downside and capitulation from what we could only describe as a huge amount of manipulation in the market. And it still looks as though the market is being kept down. As we can see on the 4-hour chart here for Chainlink, we did flip bearish on our EMAs here basically a few weeks ago. And on the 4-hour, we've actually struggled to get back above the EMAs. As you can see, we did test them multiple times here. We did come back up, retest the 20, retest the 20, retest the 20 here, but we couldn't get back above it. But it does seem as though we bottomed out here at around this psychological $20 level, which I will just outline here, as we can see. So bouncing off this psychological level here at around $20. I just deleted my EMAs, didn't I? There we go. So we're basically bouncing in and off those levels at around $20. We do think this is going to be quite a strong support level for Chainlink, as we can see. When we actually did come down below this level, we came down and almost wicked against it here. And then we did come back down below this level, but we came straight back up, as you can see. And then since then, we've slowly been bleeding to the downside from what we can tell. And obviously with the volume decreasing as well, it's pretty obvious that in general amounts of trading and buying and selling in the crypto markets have been heading downwards for altcoins at the minute. I think all eyes are on Bitcoin, and just a lot of people are waiting on the sidelines with a lot of stable coins. They're basically just waiting to see what's going to happen in the market, in our opinion. Because from what we can tell, it does seem as though a lot of people have been scared out of the markets for now, and obviously there's no surprise considering how crazy bearish the price action has been basically in the past month or so now. If we just take a look here, I think Chainlink is still down a massive amount from its all-time high, still down around 61%, which for a project of Chainlink's caliber is obviously a massive amount. I mean, this could potentially be a huge buying opportunity as well, because I mean, this is like basically a 2.5x to the all-time high. Just on your money, if you bought here and waited till the all-time high and sold, you'd make a 2.5x. So obviously not saying we're going back there anytime soon, but could be potentially, if you're in for Chainlink for the medium or long term, you could be looking at a very nice gain here. This could be potentially a really good entry point if you believe in Chainlink, obviously. It's quite difficult to know what's going to happen in the short term because of all the volatility in the market, but if we just take a look at the charts and what's going on, for some reason my RSI has disappeared on my chart again. But we'll just make do without the RSI. But from what we can tell from pretty much all of our cryptos that we've been looking at today is that we're basically super oversold at the minute, or basically as oversold as when we had this first correction. So considering that we're so oversold here, and we do look as though we're still trending upwards somewhat for Chainlink, making some higher lows here, pretty much. Obviously we made lower lows in this general trend to the downside here, but we could potentially be looking at an A, B, C, D, and then continuing upwards in this channel here. So difficult to know what's going to happen. Obviously, Chainlink's been steadily losing value against the US dollar and against Bitcoin recently, just because Bitcoin's been rallying somewhat, but chopping mostly sideways. And obviously, this has been really bad with the bearish attitude in the market. Pretty much all altcoins have slowly been bleeding recently. They did get a nice little pump when we saw Bitcoin potentially heading up to 42k and breaking it, but since Bitcoin's got all the FUD against it today again, with China kicking out miners and all kinds of other stuff, basically Bitcoin sold off again to around 35 or 36k, and currently we are just chopping and changing in those areas, which means that Chainlink has sold off as well. Obviously when Bitcoin sells off 10%, altcoins sell off 15 or 20%. So I think Bitcoin's probably down like 5 or 6% in the past few days. So Chainlink has also dropped down. If we take a look here, it's down around 20% in the past few days. So as we can see, things aren't ideal in the short term, but we do think for the long term, Chainlink could be a fantastic project. As we've been saying in all of our Chainlink videos, we do think the fundamentals for Chainlink are absolutely enormous. It's got one of the biggest integrated networks in the whole of crypto. Basically, all of DeFi relies on its Oracle technology. There's lots of games that rely on its RNG random number generation tool as well. And with Chainlink 2.0 coming as well, I mean, the stable coins are also on Chainlink. Like, this is a severely undervalued cryptocurrency in our opinion, and we do think it's going to be worth a massive amount in the future. Currently, it's super undervalued considering what it's offering in our opinion. This is a crypto that does have a top quality amount of utility. As you can see, we're still above this fairly gradual blue macro trend line, which we have outlined here ever since last year, basically. So, I mean, congratulations to anyone who bought Chainlink around these levels at around $1. You'd still be up around 20x from that price at the current price, or you would have been up around 52x at the all-time high, which is obviously an amazing gain in around a year. So, short term, things aren't looking great for Chainlink. Short term price prediction, we do think we are in danger here of potentially rolling over, although it does look as though we may be double bottoming hopefully, and we could see another reversal. But obviously we're following Bitcoin right now, so if Bitcoin does go down again, we are going to see Chainlink rolling over, probably to test these some of these levels down here, maybe even testing this macro blue trend line. But obviously in the long term, we do think Chainlink's going to do extremely well. When in doubt, zoom out. Not financial advice, but we do think if you're holding top quality projects for the long term, you're probably going to do better than 90% of people in the market. So we do think Chainlink is an absolute blue chipper, absolute altcoin gem in the market. And we do think, like we said, in the next year or so, it could be anywhere between $200, $300, $500, or maybe even $1,000 a token in our opinion. And that would probably be fair value considering that it's probably got hundreds of billions of dollars in the wider network that it's offering. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.